ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma Urang Don Shan Nongba New Delhi Haka Khan Real Teri Urumpang Arhajar Arpuar Ulapa Eukurwo Shikipat Ba Nong Shoshnong Jong Kejela Mekhalia Baula Yolat Ïakren Yau Home Secretary Joka Ministry of Home Affairs Ka Sarkar India Ban Pynsngew Halor Keshiti Ulapa Da Kasengking Atiar Nyautrep National Liberation Council Hnlc Kabala Penpau Ya Kajing Angnuan Ban Wan Shakamit Ïakren Song Bat ke Sarkar India klem kinu ki jingbo kendon.
I had a meeting today with the Home Secretary and other officials of the MHA, and it was regarding the communication that we have received from Hnlc, where they have expressed the desire to have talks with both Government of India and Government of Meghalaya in the interest of overall peace in the state, and they've mentioned in the letter that they are coming forward unconditionally as well as to discuss within the parameters of the Constitution of India. It's a welcome step, and we have updated the Government of India, MHA, on these developments, and detailed discussions on how to take this forward have also been discussed. It will not be appropriate for me to share those details at this point in time, but it was a very positive meeting, and we will take the steps forward as per discussion with the MHA, and in the next few days more developments will take place.